Hey, what's going on, everyone? Before we get started in this cooking lesson video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so you don't miss an upload by me. And we're going to be making taquitos, as you see here. So let's go ahead and make sure it's smothered around. Let's go and cook them for this much time. I put 5 minutes, so we're going to, I'm going to go kill some time. Now open the door, as you see here. Close the door. So let's go right over here. So after that, let's go over here. Get on this. Turn off the flash. And check it out. Oh, looks like I see a car. Car right over there. Oh, that guy doesn't know I'm recording. Well, that's crazy. Here, let me go and clean the camera again. And just clean it. Okay. So anyways, I'm just trying to get good grip. Alright, so it looks like I only have 56 minutes, 37 seconds left. Dang it, I gotta clean out my storage. I have to clear it out. Alright, so let's go ahead. Let's go in here. I wish I can record unlimited, but looks like I only have 56 minutes, 37 seconds left to record. Looks like I'm not gonna have enough storage to upload these dang videos. Now let's go in. Now let's flush this. Close. Okay, so since we have that taken care of, looks like someone's doing laundry. Yeah, it looks like it's on delicates. I don't know. So let's go over here. 1 minute 45 seconds left. Dang, that's gonna be a long cook. Alright, let me just make sure that I got everything ready in time before we close the video. Okay, opened up the fridge, and I hope there's something to drink. I don't see my red drink anywhere. Oh well, I'll have to find something to get something to drink. So let's go ahead and go in here. So it looks like there's only 52 seconds left remaining on the clock. Damn, looks like there's only 35 seconds left. And it's only 8:52. If you can see that. Hold on. It's 8:52 now. Hope you can all see that. Yep, there it is. I just had a... Oh, you hear that pop? It's like they're cooking really good. So here's a water tank. This is where I do my soups and stuff. And there's a clock up there. It's currently 9 something. Or I don't know. Let's see how well these guys cook. Dang, they got cooked real good. Woo! Oh, dang, they got fried real good. Whew. Dang, so let me go in and see if I can empty out the oil, which I didn't mean to add that much. Oh, ouchie. Sorry. And also, guys, please be careful with hot oil. So let's say we made a new cooking hack. It's called cooking taquitos with oil, and it's fried. Cook it for at least 5 minutes. Here, matter of fact, let's cook it for another minute. I'm gonna cook it for another. Cook it for another minute. Cook it for man, just move it around. Okay. Start. There we go. So let's go ahead and let's go out here again. So here's the pool. Here's the pool right here. But the thing is, it has no water. It has no water. So it looks like there's a bunch of trash down there. So the pool is completely drained. So it looks like let me just go ahead and let's go in. I hope the taquitos got fried really good. Alright, let's see how well they did. Dang. Look at that. Sizzling good. Okay, close the door. That's that. How are we gonna get this hot oil out? How are we gonna get the hot oil out? That's our main question. How do we get it out? I can just hold on. I think there's a lid. I can just empty it with. Let me rinse this out. Okay. Let me take this outside so that I can probably empty out the oil from there. Can you get the door open here? Okay. So let's see if we can dump it right here. See if we can dump it right here. There. Okay, I think I got it released. Yep, there we go. Close the door. Now let's check. Let's check them. Yeah, that's how we do it. Nice and cooked. And hold on. Should get my fingerprints. It says no match. Oh, not good. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, hold on, let me show you. So look right here. See, that's why I'm trying to do my video and do the test at the same time. So while we have that cooked, dang, they got cooked really good. Whoo! Damn, they're so crispy now. See, that's called a new cooking hack. Cooking taquitos for at least 6 minutes, let it fry. Then bam, that's how we do it. Cooked it really good. Set that here. They're nice and they should be crunchy. After that, we should go ahead and get ourselves something to drink. Let's get ourselves something to drink in this video. Cooking lesson. Here, let's go ahead and let's grab a water down there. Let me go ahead and grab that. Toss it up and catch. Nice. Close the door. Yay. And that's how we do it. I'm gonna set this here. Put it right here. And that's how we make taquitos. Fried in the microwave. All I do is put oil on it and just cook it for at least 5 minutes or 6. And that's how they get really crusty. Yep, and now they're crunchy. So I just hope this gives it a work. So thank you for watching this cooking lesson video. I hope you had a great time. Comment down below in the comment section, and make sure you hit the sub and turn on the bell for those post notifications. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so you don't miss an upload by me. And it looks like I'm turning this cooking lesson video off. So on that, I catch y'all. I'm out. Boost.